Good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. I like to show you guys new coupons to print every single Sunday on coupons.com. I do print my coupons on swagbucks.com because I get a point for every single coupon that I print, and then it says when you redeem at your local grocery store you get 10, but I don't know if that works towards Walgreens and CVS, but hey, why not get paid printing off coupons? If you guys are interested, I do have a link below where you guys can click to join, but I don't think you guys can print these from your phone. A lot of you guys say you print from your phone, but I don't know, I just do it to get free points. So let's just dig in and see what we got. Now it looks like some coupons reset. We have the $3 off Schick razors that reset. I'm going to print that off because you never know when you're going to need them. Oh, a lot of the coupons reset. We got the Talente, the $4 off a 2 CoverGirl. Now that actually reset twice for me already, so that's the third time it has reset. The Renews It's, the coupon or the Kleenex, 50 cents off of that. $1 off a 2 Pledge, 50 cents off of Lucky Charms. Here we got $1.50 off Scrubbing Bubbles. I'm not printing all this stuff off because I still have some of these when I printed them off. So I'll just wait, but I am going to print off the, you guys will see what ones I print off. So we got that. I'm doing the new ones because I'm doing that deal on Ibotta. So we got that going on. Foster Chicken Nuggets, Babel. Now I did see a bunch of Aveeno coupons, so I'm printing those off. I did the body wash, and then I'm also going to do the cleansing. And then here we got 75 cents off of wet ones. I'm going to do that because I have seen deals in Ibotta with those. And now since school's starting, you'll see a lot of that stuff up on sale. Now here we have $1 off of Sparkle. I'm going to print that off just because there might be some deal with that. Here we got a lotion for Aveeno and sun care, which I never use the sun care. I'm probably just going to unclip that one. Then we got baby sun care. And then we got Just for Men, $2 off that. Glade, $1 off of 2. Clorox, You'll Play. Oh. Otherwise, I'm not really finding any hot coupons. But definitely print off the CoverGirl one. I was really hoping for like some dial coupons in here, but I am not seeing it. That reset. So pretty much a lot of coupons reset, and there's some okay ones. So and that looks about it for what I got in for coupons.com. I did go to Red Plum, there's nothing. Smart Source, there's nothing. But so some of my coupons did reset. So hope you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.